This routine traffic stop in Ohio took a shocking turn when officers pulled over a man for a missing headlight. What seemed like a simple case of bad driving quickly escalated into a chaotic arrest. And what they found on him will leave you speechless.
Hi there, Officer Weaver, City Access Police Department. You got your driver's license proof of insurance on you?
The officer approaches the driver, who seems confused and unable to provide his license.
Look up my license.
Okay. What's your name?
Ethan Wendell.
Ethan, where are you coming from today?
I'm coming from Cincinnati.
Coming
I
from?
was heading back to Cincinnati. I'm trying to find my way out of town.
Like I asked, where are you coming from?
Cincinnati.
From the moment the officer starts questioning him, it's clear that something isn't right. The driver, Ethan, claims he's coming from Cincinnati, but also says he's trying to leave town. His story isn't adding up.
Friend's house?
I was.
Okay, so the correct answer would be I'm coming from a friend's house.
Okay, but yeah, that's irrelevant.
Okay. Where's your friend's house at?
Why is it relevant?
Because I'm just trying to figure out where you're coming from.
I visited a friend in Oxford.
Yeah.
Somewhere here in town. I don't know where I'm at. I'm trying to leave the town. I've drove like 2 laps around this town trying to leave it.
Okay. But you don't know where
my phone is dead, if you can't tell.
The officer keeps pressing for details, but Ethan fumbles through his answers. When asked where he came from, he vaguely says, a friend's house, but can't remember the exact location. On top of that, he seems nervous and keeps apologizing. Classic signs that something isn't right.
While you were at your friend's house, did you have anything to drink or anything like that?
No.
Have you had anything to drink tonight at all?
The officer then asks if Ethan has had anything to drink. Ethan admits he had a twisted tea earlier in the day, but officers spot an open can in the car. That's when they decide to run some sobriety tests to check if he's fit to drive.
You're okay, buddy. I mean, I'm not.
Yeah, no, I drank a twisted tea this morning.
Okay, I'm not too overly concerned about an open container in your vehicle.
Well, I apologize. That's there. I see it.
Yeah. So, I'll tell you what. Let me run your social real quick.
Oh, God, dude, the paperwork, man. Can you look it up? I know you can look up and see what the registration on the vehicle is. It's mine.
Okay. Well, you still have to have.
Oh, I know I have to have it, but I've been looking for my registration forever and it's gone. So I'm apologizing now once again, but it's not in that. Here, I can look. Like you see my glove box.
Okay.
Yeah. If you look up the registration on the vehicle, it'll come back to my name.
Is it valid, up to date?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
I got you, bud.
Yeah, I really don't want to cause problems, and I'm sorry if my driving was erratic or whatever it was that you pulled me over for. I won't argue with any ticket. You have to ride.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, here's the reason for the stop. You got a headlight out, for one.
Yes, and this just happened.
I know you said you're not from here, but High Street is the street you just turned off of. You're kind of like all in your lane.
I'm sorry, dude.
You're all bouncing in your lane.
My phone to turn on, man. It just turned on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to get out of here.
Okay, I got you. So, but you're saying you had a twisted tea earlier today?
That was like at noon.
Okay. Would you be okay with me testing your eyes? Make sure you're okay to drive?
Yes, sir. Do you want to test my eyes?
Yeah, we'll do it on the sidewalk, though.
Yes, sir.
That way you're not... That's normally where we do it.
Yeah, no problem.
If you want, you can turn the car off real quick.
No, there's nothing in my pocket, just a card.
Okay. You wear glasses or contacts?
I do. Their contacts are in.
You have contacts in right now? They're soft contacts or hard contacts?
Soft.
Okay. You don't have any other problems with your vision or anything like that? Okay. Can you see the tip of my pen?
The officer tests Ethan's coordination, asking him to follow a pen with his eyes, walk in a straight line, and stand on one leg. Right away, Ethan struggles. He stumbles during the walk test, counts incorrectly, and looks unsteady. This is a clear sign of impairment. The officer then makes the call. Ethan is under arrest for DUI. The officer tells Ethan he's being arrested for driving under the influence. At this point, things should have ended there. But what happened next turned this into a much bigger case. As officers search him, Ethan suddenly starts panicking. He desperately tries to hide something in his pants, twisting and turning to avoid the search. The officers quickly realize he's trying to ditch something.
I'm just putting this in my pocket for now, okay?
Sir.
What is that?
Bro.
Stop. Hey, stop.
Come on, bro.
Stop.
What is it?
Stop.
Come on. Can you...
Dude, you're going to end up on the ground. Stop, Ethan. You're making this worse.
Look,
Okay, do you want to get a resisting
Hey,
charge as well?
listen,
Do you want to get a resisting
listen,
charge
it's
as well?
mushrooms, bro.
Okay.
Please throw it out. Please, bro.
Stop.
It's mushrooms in
Relax.
my balls.
Hey,
It's mushrooms in my balls.
okay, stop.
Take it and please.
Stop.
We will.
I'm listening.
Okay.
Quit leaning
Then
back.
relax.
Okay.
Spread your feet for him.
Yes.
There you go.
Knock
Telling
it
you
off.
what it is. No, I'm just telling you, please don't yell at me.
Okay, well,
But
listen
you're-
to us.
you're
We'll give you
resisting,
directions.
dude.
I am.
Listen to
I'm
them.
not resisting, bro. That's mushrooms right there.
Okay.
Okay.
There's a
You-
lot worse things you can have on you. That's
I
nothing.
know.
You
That's
wanna
why
throw
I'm
some gloves
telling
on?
you,
I got
bro.
a evidence bag.
Here, I'm putting my foot.
I got it.
Look, I'm relaxing. I'm just straightening up.
I got him. And then
I
get
know
my
I
passenger
can't grab
seaters-
it out for
or,
you.
I'm sorry, in the trunk. My bag's in the
Look,
trunk.
man. I'm just telling you guys what it is.
Okay, well, what do you think? What do you think my mind goes to when I feel
Your mind goes to drugs,
No,
guns.
my mind goes to a fucking gun.
I know, that's
And I'm
what I'm
about to
saying, but
slam
it's
you.
not that, bro. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay, it's mushrooms. Chill.
Yes,
Just chill.
I am, man. Are you guys...
Did you hit the unlock?
Can you guys just please write that off?
Right, what off?
The mushrooms, bro. Just throw them out. Please, I'll take the DUI. I don't care.
That's not how it works. We can't just. We can't
So
do
you're
that.
gonna write me
In
up
my
for
bag.
mushrooms?
Stop. Okay, now you're getting rid of this charge. Hey! I got it.
Come on! God damn it!
Relax.
Hang on! Please.
Stop fighting! Stop fighting!
I'm not
Stop
fighting.
fighting!
Please just let me go for the money.
Stop resisting! Stop!
We're okay. All units can slow down.
Repeat, I covered you.
All units can slow down.
Clear. 4355.
Knock it off. Relax. Can we get you standing up?
Ethan?
Where are they at?
I don't know, you fucking tell me, bro.
Relax.
He's got mushrooms in his crotch. Look at these fucking assholes. Taking my dick, motherfucker.
Stop.
Look at that. You see that, motherfucker?
Yep.
You see that?
Yep, sure do.
You see my motherfucking dick?
That's fine.
Any weapons?
I haven't searched this pocket. Or the back pocket right here. Check the back pocket.
Y'all are...
The struggle gets intense, and Ethan finally admits the truth. He has mushrooms hidden in his underwear, and it doesn't stop there. Upon further inspection, officers discover nearly 100 grams of different drugs. Ethan realizes he's in serious trouble and begs the officers to let him go. Ethan continues to resist as officers place him in the squad car. But it's too late. He is charged with DUI, driving under the influence, resisting arrest, tampering with evidence, possession of illegal substances, assault on an officer. And now he's facing serious legal consequences. Ethan's court date is set for April 1st, and we'll update you as soon as there's news. What do you think? Did the officers handle this correctly? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life police body cam footage.